Hello everybody, today we're going to be making some chicken and yellow rice, also known as Arroz con Pollo. This is Spanish style. We're going to start by chopping up our veggies and getting them sauteing.
Ingredients needed for this will be 1 whole chicken pre-cooked, 1 bell pepper, 1 yellow onion, 5 cloves of garlic, half a jar of pimento stuffed green olives, 4 5-ounce packs of Vigo yellow rice, or salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes if you like, 4 cups of chicken stock. I believe that's it. You want to start by chopping up all your vegetables and saute in olive oil. While sauteing vegetables, go ahead and break down your chicken. Then go ahead and add the rice and all of the other ingredients. Leave out the chicken for now. Bring that to a rolling boil and lower to simmer or low. Cook that for around 15 minutes. Stir up the rice really well. Put the chicken on top. Cover back up. Cook for another 8 minutes. Turn heat off and let it set for 10 minutes. And you should be good to go. Enjoy.